What is up, everybody? My name is Austin and you are watching the Powerstroke channel. Before we start today's video, it would really mean a lot if you smash that subscribe button and hit that like button for me. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job with the content that I'm producing. It lets me know that you guys really enjoy the videos and that I can keep making videos that you guys enjoy. So in today's video, I want to talk about a few things that I really love about the 7.3. I like the 7.3 for the reliability of it and not having to bulletproof it. Now, I'm not dogging on 6.0 guys. I love the 6.0s. They sound good, they're powerful, and they have a lot of potential. I love those trucks. I wanted a 7.3 personally just to keep repair bills down and not as often, but I've never owned a 6.0, so I don't really know how often they need to go to the shop. This thing has already had several issues and I thought it was supposed to be reliable. But with that being said, it's only given me a couple issues. I had the glow plug relay go bad and the batteries were bad when I bought it, but that's not the truck's fault. The story behind this truck, it actually didn't run for 8 months before I bought it. So the fact that it started right up, right as I went to go test drive it, and it drove just fine and beautifully all the way back to my hometown. It's amazing. I was really impressed with the fact that the truck had sat for 8 months and didn't skip a beat when it tried to start. So far, the 7.3 motor is making a really good impression on me. I love how the 7.3 sounds. It sounds so burly and grumbly. I love the knocking sound that it has. It's a beautiful sound. I love starting up the 7.3 and just how aggressive and angry it sounds when you start it when it's cold outside. Nothing beats it. The second thing I really love about this truck is the fuel mileage it gets. It's actually not that great, but it's better than the Tahoe. The Tahoe was getting maybe 9 miles to the gallon. This thing, I know for a fact when I fill it, I will get at least 400 miles out of one tank. Now that comes down to about 12.5 miles per gallon, which is not very impressive, but considering it has oversized tires, 20 by 12s, I romp on it, it has the hydrogen chip, it's quite impressive to me. I love knowing that when I fill it, I know I will get 400 miles out of a tank and I won't have to worry about it for a while. So I love that I get to go pretty far on one tank of fuel. Granted, it takes $100 to fill this truck every single time, and that's the limit here in Oregon. It's like $95 to $100, depending on which gas station you go to. So I really don't know how that stacks up against the 6.0, the 5.9. I don't know how that stacks up. If you guys know, please comment below. I'd love to know what the fuel mileage is on your guys' trucks, because, you know, I think 12.5 miles per gallon for a truck that looks all right. It's not the greatest looking truck yet, but for what it is, I think it's way worth it. It's definitely miles per gallon versus miles per gallon for me. And I love that there is a plethora of parts for this truck. There are so many parts. You just search it online, you search Amazon, Google, I mean, anywhere, any auto parts store. There are so many parts for this truck, and it's so nice that it's so easy to get parts, and they're relatively cheap. It is super nice. So if you're looking for a truck that's pretty easy to modify and relatively cheap, I highly recommend one of these Fords. And with that being said, I have some pretty sweet news. I actually just ordered an exhaust for this truck, a 4-inch turbo back from Diamond Eye. It's going to be here. I'm going to axle dump it, and there's going to be a sweet little surprise on the end of it. I cannot wait to show you guys that. It's going to make the truck sound so much better. It's going to look better, because I don't really care for this little exhaust here showing. I'm a guy that likes stuff hidden away at the top. I had an axle dump, so this guy's going to have an axle dump. And don't worry guys, there'll be plenty of videos showing the axle dump, the rolling coal, and having fun with it. It's going to look good. I got to do an undercoating on the whole truck. It's going to be a lot of fun stuff coming for this truck here in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. I am so excited for the next few weeks to come, because there's going to be a lot of fun stuff happening to the truck that's going to transform the look and make it look a lot better than it does. So thank you guys again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.